Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing a template or a blank slide. Pick 16, 9 for screens, 4, 3 for older projectors. Next, create a clear title slide with your name and date so viewers know context. Import essential images or copy and text from notes, then save as PPTX and set auto recover to 5 minutes. Once done, organize slides into simple sections. Use consistent fonts and sizes. This prepares you to build content quickly and avoid rework later. Now you construct the main slides. Use Slide Master to enforce uniform headers, footers, and font styles so edits apply everywhere. When adding data, insert charts or smart art to visualize trends, choose high-resolution images and compress them to keep file size reasonable. Apply transitions sparingly and reserve animations for emphasis. Too many effects distract. Make sure to use notes for key talking points and rehearse timings so your pacing matches the slide flow during delivery. Finish by running the slideshow from start to end. Check slide timings, links, and embedded media so playback is smooth. Export a PDF or MP4 if you need a static or shareable version. Embed fonts when recipients may not have them installed. If media or linked files fail on another computer, reinsert the media as an embedded file or carry associated files in the same folder. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio or video won't play, convert it to MP4 and reinsert. That usually resolves compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.